I'm Michelle, and I'm an avid gardener, a thrifter, and a home decor enthusiast. If you like those topics, hit subscribe and follow me this summer as we do all kinds of home and garden projects, indoors and out. Today we're in my kitchen because it is raining outside, and I just got my box from UPS with my high country roses. Now, I ordered these probably in January, and these are live plants. They're not bare root. And I have not ordered from this company before, and this is not sponsored or affiliated, but I did want to show you what I purchased. And they have a huge selection, and I had seen that they were recommended by other YouTubers as being a very successful grower of roses. And so I was looking for different varieties, and they offer those varieties. So as you can see, I ordered 5, you can't see, but I ordered 5 plants, and it came very nicely boxed, and inside or on the side it tells you that it's live plants. And so it looks good. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Very nice. So the plants are all laid down on their sides. They've got them covered so there's no soil making a mess. They put some packing peanuts in there for extra protection. So let's pull these out and see how they look. So shake off the packing peanuts, and I'll have to get these planted up this weekend. Oh, and it has it taped on there on the side. Now when I open it, a little bit of dirt does come out. Can you see that? But they put masking tape over the top to keep the dirt in. Now this is my Madame Ernest Calvet. I may be saying that wrong. This is a bourbon rose. I've never tried one of these. This is an old-fashioned rose, and also very, very fragrant. Okay, and it looks like they did include my packing list of my different selection of roses. Okay, this is a David Austin rose. It's a dark red climber, very fragrant also. This is a smaller climber, like 6 to 8 feet. So I have a place, I think I'm gonna put this up front because I've seen them where they put them, you can actually put this in a planter or put like a trellis around it, like a small cage trellis, which is what I'm thinking about doing for this one. Again, beautiful roses. And we'll have to check throughout the season and see how they do. But so far, I'm thinking they all look, oh, it looks like they included, yes, they included instructions also, a sheet of instructions on how to care for these and how to harden them off to get them outside to plant them. This is Lillian Austin. This is a David Austin shrub rose, and this was a salmon color, and it's a fragrant rose and gets 3 to 4 foot tall and wide. So I think this will be a nice pinky salmon color in the backyard garden to add to my roses. And boy, was it hard when I was picking these out. I don't know about you, but do you have an issue of like not being able to stop and you keep adding more to the cart? I was getting a lot, and but every one it was like, oh, that one's beautiful. Oh, that one's beautiful. Okay, this is a nice little one. It's got like 3 little starts on it. And it is, okay, this is a grand floral rose, Sitting Pretty. Now, Sitting Pretty is a pink rose, and it is going to get 3 to 4 foot tall, 3 to 4 foot wide, and it is a fragrant rose. And that's one of the things I had mentioned before in another video. My important features when I'm looking for a rose is a couple of different things. One is the fragrance. When I pick out a rose, I want something that smells really good. Then, of course, the bloom. I want a repeat bloomer so that I can see the flower repeat through the season. And the third thing is that's really important to me is that it's for my zone, because I'm in zone 5, and so I want to make sure that I don't pick out anything that won't winter over. So those are the three of the things I'm looking for. And of course also, I mean, some of the basics. I want something that's disease resistant and doesn't take a lot of fuss and grows well for this area. Okay, now this one's a little one. It's a tiny start. And this is a Floribunda Bolero. It's a white Floribunda rose. And it's the tiniest out of all the roses that I ordered. And I think this one is like 2 to 3 feet tall and wide. And it says it's very fragrant. And usually I have very good luck with Floribundas. They do well in my area. Okay, we've got one more. And I think I told you 5 at the beginning, but I think originally I ordered 5 and then went back and added another one to the cart. Like I said, you know how that happens. So far I'm very impressed with the packing on these. They're not messy. They're all nice little plants, little rose plants, good starts. Now this is my climber that I ordered. And this is Kiss Me Kate, which looked beautiful in the pictures. If I get anything even close to that, I will be thrilled. Gorgeous pink blooms on it, fairly large looking. This climber is 8 to 10 feet. So my new trellis out here on the be the south end of the garden by the lilac, I thought that this would look gorgeous climbing on that trellis. So that's where I think I'm going to put that, and also very fragrant. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is my unboxing from High Country Roses. I'll put their link in the description box if you're interested in checking out their website. Well, if you enjoyed this video, check out this video next.